Okay, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's PDJ on the mic. So today we're gonna be learning the Sugura rhythm in one position. They play like over the bar, or they play in two position. So in this video we're gonna be learning how to play in one position. So when you are playing a Sugura rhythm in one position, first thing that you have to put in mind is the scales, because the scales are like the boundaries, So for example, this rhythm that we're gonna be playing today is gonna be in the key of D major. So this is the key of D. This is the open D. And we have the bar chord of D. So remember, last time we spoke about when you are playing scales, you start on the root note. So this is the root note of our scale. So that's where we start our scale. So this is the major scale of D. So the rhythm will be. So if you watch, I'm just gonna play it slow so that you can all follow up.